What are you doing, Steve?
Using my telly as a whiteboard. Little trick I learned off James at Technical Topic. So what I'm doing, I'm looking at the current flow through this central locking wiring diagram, and I'm working out my current flow, where I'm likely to get problems, any fuse numbers or wire colours and that I need to check, or pin numbers. I'll write them down on the side here, and I'll just literally use it as a 65-inch whiteboard. Like here you can see the power coming into the fuse box comes through fuse 25 and then along, and then we can see where it's feeding, and I can work through the current path, and we go from there. Use it as a really valuable teaching aid when I've got students down on the ride-alongs in the hub, and it gives everybody the EBGBs. But I learnt that trick from James at Technical Topics. Thanks, James, you're awesome.
How'd you book a ride along, Steve?
Simplydiag.net, go into the community area, membership benefits, Zoom and ride-along details, and you can book there using Android phone or laptop and PC using our Google Calendar. Send me an invite and I'll approve it, and that gets you to sit in the red chair in the VIP area, just there, where everybody wants to sit, right next to the fire.
But you've got to be a member to do that.
Yeah, subscribing member, yeah, so £15 a month or £150 a year gets you in, so that gets you access to the members side of the portal, where you can ask your questions and get technical support from all our awesome members. Or you can book your ride along, you can drop into the live Zoom and come and get your tech support through the live Zoom.